Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in this video, students, we will be talking about a single topic. These single topic videos are quite beneficial for you all. Here we are talking about Cyber Kushti. This is the name of a hackathon, that is Cyber Kushti. This is a hackathon. Now students, what is a hackathon? Hackathon is basically an event where a problem statement is given to various teams and they have to find the solution for that particular problems, right? And if their solution is justified and appropriate, then those team will also be funded, right? As a startup, they will be mentored and grant will also be provided to them. So here this Cyber Kushti hackathon was launched by National Institute of Electronics and Information and Technology. They have launched this Cyber Kushti, this National Cybersecurity and AI Hackathon. So what is this? This is an hackathon, that is a AI and cybersecurity hackathon. Correct? The initiative was launched as a part of technical, I repeat, this initiative, it was launched as a part of technical program of the 3rd National Conference on Cybersecurity, Digital Forensic and Intelligence at Dr. Ambedkar International Center in New Delhi. Where was this launched? Dr. Ambedkar International Center in New Delhi. This is the location that I need you all to take a note of. Right? Then apart from this, you can see here, this was the 3rd that was held in New Delhi. Apart from this, students, you can see here, this Cyber Kushti, the hackathon aims to evaluate and recognize human judgment in cybersecurity by testing decision making in AI-driven scenarios beyond simple vulnerability detection, with registration open till 10th of September. Correct? So the registration for this is valid till which date? It is till 10th of September. Next thing, the initiative was organized by NIELIT in collaboration with Information Sharing and Analysis Center Foundation under National Security Database, with the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, also known as the Knowledge Partner here. So CERT, it was the Knowledge Partner here. Right? Now students, if we look at this topic through our handwritten notes that is provided in our Crack Current Affairs course, it becomes very easy. NIELIT under MEITY, they launched what? Cyber Kushti. This is a National Cybersecurity and AI Hackathon. Where was this launched? At the 3rd NCC DIF that was held in New Delhi at Dr. Ambedkar International Center. Then it will test human cybersecurity judgment using AI scenarios. It will feature AI findings, logs, scans to detect vulnerabilities. Right? Here you see Cyber Keshri awards were presented, Gadha, Rustam and Pehlwan titles were also provided. Correct? So you can see here that this is a hackathon launched by whom? Launched by NIELIT, that is your National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, focusing on problems that are related to cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. For more such topics, students, stay tuned with us. We provide daily one topic wise video for you all that become easy for you all to remember the things.